Aromatica, Lively, SuperBarrier Cica-Panthenol Serum, 1.01 fluid ounces, 30 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Live clean, live lively, 100% worry-free. Feel your skin get tight, dry and sensitive? Rebuild moisture barrier for your thirsty skin. Panthenol and Madecassoside hydrate, soothe and lock moisture into skin. 5 layers of hyaluronic acid replenish skin to make it appear more supple, full and smooth. Suggested use. Apply on clean skin. Smooth and gently all over face and throat. Other ingredients: Aqua, glycerin, propanediol, panthenol, polyglyceryl 3-methylglucose stearate, caprylic, capric triglyceride, triethyl citrate, octyldodecanol, betaine, 1,2 hexanediol, butylene glycol, viola mandshurica flower extract, gardenia Florida fruit extract, glyceryl glucoside, glyceryl stearate, cetearyl alcohol, stearic acid, sodium lauroyl glutamate, limonths alba seed oil, mandshurica seed oil, ethylxylglycerin, verbena officinalis extract, rosmarinus officinalis leaf extract, chamomilla recutita flower extract, sodium hyaluronate cross polymer, hydrolyzed glycosaminoglycans, sodium hyaluronate, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, sclerotian gum, pentylene glycol, Madecassoside, tamarind acidic acid polysaccharide. Warnings. Caution, for external use only. Discontinue use if irritation or rash occurs. If irritation or rash persists, consult a doctor. Do not use on irritated or damaged skin. Avoid contact with eyes. To ensure skin compatibility, conduct a skin patch test prior to use. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.